Hello everyone! In this video, we'll set out on a journey of finding the answers to the core questions of our existence. Let's begin. What does it take to find yourself? What obstacles do we have to overcome to finally get a glimpse of our true nature? These questions have been motivating generations of writers, artists, and all kinds of seekers in their seemingly endless quest for meaning. Most likely, you've also pondered about the nature of existence on one of those rainy evenings. Maybe you've even read a book or two by a famous philosopher, a spiritual guru, or an outstanding scientist. Or maybe you discarded the whole notion of it due to the apparent impracticality. Whatever were your reasons, today I invite you to explore the concept of truth and meaning from a different angle. We are going to take a look inside ourselves. The founder of Taoism, Lao Tzu, famously said, "A scholar gains every day, a Taoist loses every day." You may find it confusing, but essentially this one shard of wisdom can take you all the way to enlightenment if it's exercised properly. We as a species, especially in this modern era, have complicated and deep internal worlds. With the abundance of information and emotional stimuli, we rarely have any time for contemplation and self-inquiry. Most of us are almost entirely driven by the unconscious set of programs. Someone makes us angry, and we immediately express it in our behavior or suppress it and carry it around all day or even all our life. It feels normal to act this way, as everybody around us is doing the same thing. We are fine as long as it doesn't affect our lives too much. If the emotions become unbearable or hard to control, there is a wide array of antidepressants or other medicine which can soothe the pain and help us to regain a form of control. Yet, removing the symptoms doesn't heal the disease. When traditional psychology fails us, we might start seeking answers in the realm of spiritual. Sadly, the original goal and meaning of spiritual work has been corrupted by various religious dogmas, fake gurus, and obscure mystical teachings, which only create another outlet for escape, rather than get us any closer to the nature of our existence. Despite all of that, after spending some time researching and learning how to filter the material, we discover some practical ways of getting in touch with our inner selves and removing the obstacles to the happiness which comes from within. Spiritual evolution occurs as a result of removing obstacles and not actually acquiring anything new. Devotion enables surrender of the mind's vanities and cherished illusions, so that it becomes freer and progressively more open to the light of the truth. In a simple language, we choose to face our problems instead of avoiding them. We consciously seek out all the manifestations of our shadow and work on integrating them. We become mindful and stop complaining about the events outside of our control. We learn to accept the existence as it is and start bringing the unconscious parts of ourselves to light. With enough persistence and devotion to the task, the results won't take too long before manifesting in our daily life. We will feel lighter and more present. Our limited beliefs will crumble, giving us more courage to try new things and make some changes in our lives. We will start experiencing emotions without limiting expectations and unhealthy attachments. In a sense, we purify our ego and heal our internal traumas, resulting in a less distorted perception. Being freed from the guilt and the external influence of the society we live in, we are free to perceive the things which are meaningful to us. The motivation for our actions shifts from fear to love. And here I am not talking about romantic love, which is often full of doubt and attachments. I am talking about unconditional love towards the world, the fate, and the others. I am talking about peace and acceptance. This is the true power which allowed people like Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King, and many others to directly influence the lives of millions of people. By looking deep inside ourselves and practicing mindfulness, we can start seeing the glimpses of this power. Some call it God, others call it higher self or universal consciousness. Whatever the label you choose to assign to it, reaching this state is the goal of the most spiritual practices. Returning to your true nature is the ultimate cure against suffering. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Love, peace, acceptance, the state of being present, being in the moment. This is the only state where we can come in contact with the truth and the nature of existence. Focus your efforts on looking inside. Find the practices which can help you with that. By learning to look inside, you will regain the vision and finally make sense of the world outside. And the secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, worry about the future, or anticipate troubles, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what set you on your spiritual journey. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It will help the channel to grow and cover more interesting topics. See you in the next video.